Roadmap to $100 million, and acquiring the right millionaire skills. Welcome, aspiring millionaires, to a transformative journey towards unlocking the door to a coveted fortune. Building massive wealth requires more than just luck. It demands a strategic roadmap and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. In this exclusive guide, we unveil the blueprint for success, providing you with a step-by-step plan to cultivate the skills necessary to conquer the world of high finance. So, prepare to unleash your potential, embrace the path less traveled, and embark on a life-changing adventure towards unimaginable wealth. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Foster a positive mindset. Cultivating positivity and optimism empowers you to conquer obstacles, view failures as stepping stones to success, and persevere in the face of challenges. Surround yourself with people who radiate positivity, inspire greatness, and support your ambitions. By surrounding yourself with a positive environment, you create a fertile ground for achievement. Number 2. Develop a strong work ethic. In pursuit of reaching the monumental milestone of $100 million, developing a strong work ethic is paramount. Embrace the values of hard work, discipline, and perseverance as essential ingredients for success. Understand that achieving your goals requires dedication and a willingness to invest the necessary time and effort. Embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and keep pushing forward with unwavering determination. Number 3. Build a brand and business with scalability in mind. Create a business model that is designed to grow exponentially, allowing you to expand your reach and impact. By prioritizing scalability, you position yourself for exponential growth and the potential to achieve extraordinary success. Embrace innovation and adaptability, constantly seeking ways to evolve and stay ahead of the competition. With a scalable business, you can leverage your efforts and resources to achieve unprecedented heights of wealth. Number 4. Identify your high-income generating activities. Dedicate time to thoroughly analyze and pinpoint the specific activities that possess the potential to yield substantial income. Ensure that these activities align with your skills, expertise, and the current market demand. By focusing on these lucrative endeavors, you optimize your chances of success. Through careful analysis and alignment with market trends, you can position yourself strategically and channel your efforts towards activities that have the greatest potential to generate significant wealth. Number 5. Prioritize your high-income activities. Once you have identified these activities, evaluate them based on their potential return on investment and their alignment with your long-term financial goals. By prioritizing these income-generating endeavors, you can allocate time and resources more effectively, maximizing your chances of success. Consider the impact each activity can have on your overall wealth building, and focus your efforts on those that offer the highest potential for significant returns. Remember, strategic prioritization is key to unlocking the path to extraordinary wealth. Number 6. Outsource non-essential tasks. On your path to acquiring millionaire skills and a remarkable $100 million, it is crucial to recognize which tasks can be outsourced or delegated. Determine the non-essential tasks that can be effectively handled by others, allowing you to free up valuable time. By outsourcing these tasks, you can focus your energy and expertise on the high-income generating activities that truly require your unique skills. This strategic delegation enables you to optimize your productivity and overall efficiency. Embrace the power of outsourcing and leverage the expertise of others to propel your financial journey forward. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 7. Develop a strategic action plan. Break down the tasks into manageable chunks, allowing for focused progress. Set realistic deadlines for each task to keep yourself accountable and ensure steady momentum. By mapping out your journey with a strategic action plan, you provide yourself with a clear roadmap. Stay committed, track your progress, and adjust your plan as needed to stay on course towards your wealth-building goals. Number 8. Leverage technology and automation. Identify technological tools and systems that can streamline and automate repetitive tasks linked to your high-income activities. Explore software, apps, and digital solutions tailored to your specific needs, enabling you to optimize your workflow and scale operations. Embracing technology empowers you to work smarter, not harder, and propel your wealth-building endeavors to new heights. Number 9. Develop effective sales and marketing strategies. Invest time in understanding your target market, their needs, and preferences to tailor your offerings accordingly. Develop compelling marketing messages that resonate with your audience and differentiate you from competitors. Implement effective sales strategies to maximize the revenue potential of your high-income activities. By honing sales and marketing skills, you can attract and retain valuable customers, ultimately propelling your financial success. Number 10. Monitor and manage your time effectively. On the path to acquiring the right millionaire skills and striving for $100 million, it is crucial to monitor and manage your time effectively. Implementing time management techniques is essential to ensure that you allocate sufficient time to high-income activities. Identify and eliminate time-wasting things that do not contribute to your income generation goals. Prioritize tasks that directly contribute to your financial success and focus your energy on those activities. By optimizing your time, you maximize your productivity and create space for the activities that will drive your wealth building forward. Number 11. Stay current with industry trends. Keep a finger on the pulse of your industry, market demands, and emerging opportunities within your high-income activities. Stay informed through industry publications, online resources, and networking with industry professionals. Attend relevant conferences or events to gain valuable insights and expand your network. By staying up to date with industry trends, you position yourself to seize new opportunities, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the competition. Number 12. Build a strong team. Foster a culture of collaboration, communication, and continuous improvement within your team. By building a strong team, you leverage the collective power of diverse talents, enhance productivity, and increase your chances of achieving extraordinary wealth. Invest in your team's growth, provide mentorship, and empower them to contribute their best towards your shared goals. We hope you've gained invaluable insights into the roadmap for acquiring the right millionaire skills on your quest for a remarkable $100 million fortune. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon, but a result of unwavering dedication, continuous learning, and the relentless pursuit of excellence.